This is Python Basics. We're on Codecademy doing the second quiz on the module. So this is Python Basics. Let's begin. Which of the following variables contains Boolean values? So they've got my super variable equals the string true plus false. So that's basically a variable and it's set to a particular value, which is those two strings. The next one is my fun variable equals 2 plus 9. So that means equals 11. So this variable is set to 11. It's set to a particular value, so there's no problems there. My cool variable equals 7 plus 8, which is 15, is not equal to 13. Okay, so this variable here is actually set to an answer, an expression that's either going to be true or false. It's saying 15 is not equal to 13. So that is either true or false. It doesn't matter if it's true or false, but the fact is this is set to a value which is either true or false, which is Boolean. So it's this one here. Determine the truth value of the following expression. So we've got parentheses that contains 4 is less than or equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. So 4 is less than or equal to 6. So that's true. Then we've got the expression and. So the next parentheses also needs to be true for this expression to be true. So inside the parentheses, it's 7 plus 1 equals 8. And then it's got the equals 8. So that's true. Which of the following is a Boolean expression? This quiz is very hard. Well, that's subjective. That's neither true nor false. That's just your opinion. The next one is my name is Angelo. Now, someone's name's either Angelo or it's not. That's Boolean. Then we've got the New York Yankees, the classiest baseball team. Again, that's subjective. 3 is the most elegant number. Again, that's just an opinion. So number 2 here, my name is Angelo. It's either Angelo or it's not. So that's Boolean. So it's that one there. Determine the truth value of the following expression. So we've got 3 to the power of 2, which is 9 plus 1 equals 10. On the other side, we've got 30 divided by 3, which is 10. So we've got 10 on both sides. In the middle, we've got not equal to. So 10 is not equal to 10. No, that's false. 10 is equal to 10. So this is false. Determine the truth value of the following expression. 4 times 5, I should say, is 20. 20 is less than or equal to 21 minus 1, which is 20. So 20 is less than or equal to 20. That is true. Consider the code below. What would be printed to the terminal? We've got x equals 5. And then, okay, below this, we've got a bunch of if statements. They're not else statements. They're not elif statements. So they're all just separate if statements. So the first one is x is less than or equal to 2, which it's not. So we can ignore that one because it's 5. X is 5. The second one, x is less than or equal to 4. Again, we can just ignore that one. The third one is x is less than or equal to 6, which is true, which means it's going to print is this printed. Also, we could look at the other one because it's separate. If x is less than or equal to 8, which it is, print this might be printed. So it's going to print both of those. It'll print is this printed and this might be printed. So those will both print, which is you probably can't see it there, but it's the bottom one there. There we go. Okay. Read the following code carefully. What will happen when the code is executed? So we've got x equals 0. Okay, x equals 0. Now it says if x equals 0. Hang on, that's assigned 0 though. So if x is assigned to 0. So inside of a conditional statement like an if statement, you don't assign variables. You can see it says if x equals 0, but that equals is an assignment operator. As it is at the top, you can see at the very top, it says x is assigned to 0. Down the bottom, it says if x is assigned to 0, but it's supposed to be if x is equal to 0 with a double equals symbol. So it's supposed to use a double equals symbol because they're assigning. That's assigning. That's not comparing. So that's fault. That's not going to work. That doesn't work. Which means really the whole thing's not going to work because it's the elif's based on the first if statement and the else statement. So yeah, elif is x less than or equal to. No, but still, it's faulty. It's a false. This needs to be equal, a double equals here. So there's going to be an error. Syntax error, yeah. Yep, okay. Got my heart was pounding then. Determine the truth value of the following expressions. 9 minus 4 equals 5 times 2 equals 10. So we're 10. 77 divided by 7 is 11 minus 1 is 10. So yes, that is true. Okay, and that's the second quiz. Thank you.